April, Lola, I want to pick my favorite. Eh, paano ako? In this freaking writing.
Kahit hindi malamig.
April, gusto ko ng this can. Ano ba yan? What?
I said a while ago, we will just go inside because it's hot outside.
But I'm walking, not running.
Of course. But you will not buy anything.
Except April or you.
Dito pa lang dali. Ito, di ba yung nakalamig?
April, where is my Coke?
Ito, hindi malamig. Hindi kasi nagsasalita.
I want Coke. April,
Doon ka sa malamig. Ay, hindi, sige. Bawal, huwag ka magmalamig.
and my favorite is chips. Ayun! April, I found my chips.
Okay, carrot chips mo. Ay, yung dito ang chips.
Teka, nasan yung Coke ko?
Preso tinitingnan ko dun eh. Ay. Oo, sige. Lagay na.
Okay.
28 mo ba yan? Hindi, ito pati niya nag-chipita.
Yes!
Hindi ka tingnan iba to, masarap to.
Wait.
Ang kami chipita mo, nagsawa ka na dun.
Ah!
Tama ba ako nagbasa? Alam mo, nagaw ka din. Palitan mo yun. Oo, masarap yun, no, sweet.
Okay. And I want potato fries.
Ito last naman.
April, do you want potato fries?
No.
Okay. Now what will I?
Ay, Brin.
What?
Tama na ha. Andito yung pushcart. Tama na ha.
Are you serious?
I said tama na. Friend. Kulay friend.
Okay.
Kulay friend.
April, Lola is calling you. Here is the postcard.
Aray!
How dare you break my video?
Ano break?
Wait a second. April, can you have this? And I will remove the potato chips.
Ay, wala.
Excuse me.
Ay, ito na, anak. Hindi kasi nagsasalita.
I'm here. No more space, yeah. Oh, this is CCTV. Why's my finger hurting? Hey friend, I want the smallest pizza, but I will check the...
No, not yet. No, no more, no more.
Are you serious?
Enough.